we're gonna slow things down just a little bit, and we're gonna do a song that a Hapaholi song that I learned when I was in school here. And when I was in school, I was a part of the concert glee club. Shocker! Woo! Let's hear for concert glee. All right. And we took a trip to the island of Kauai, and so we learned all these Kauai songs. And so, in anticipation of this trip, we learned one of these songs, which has really ended up being 20 years later one of my favorite Hapaholi songs. The breeze I love, I'm on a lake, we're softly sighing, so tenderly. The breeze went out to sea, caressing me, embraced the rolling surf and kissed the shore, recalling the days we knew, the days I shared with you, moments so precious and few, I'm lost without you. And though you're far away, the breeze and I will stay within this lonely bay at holiday, recalling the days we knew, the days I shared with you, moments so precious and few, I'm lost without you. And though you're far away, the breeze and I will stay within this lonely bay at holiday, within this lonely bay at holiday. So the island of Kauai, song entitled The Reason That. Okay, so,